Hello friends, welcome back to Cat Practice. Today we are going to construct a wire mesh pattern in Autodesk Inventor surface modeling. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take here 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the line command, make a center line, make a vertical center line, escape. Now here go to circle and we'll select ellipse. Okay, make one ellipse here, go to dimension, define the half distance here as 15. Okay, and define the vertical half as 30. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Okay, go to dimension, select the center, select the center line, define this distance as 100 mm. Enter. Now escape. Select this line, make it construction, finish sketch. Here go to revolve and here we will select surface as we are going to make all the profiles in surface. Okay, now it will ask the axis, so we will select this as axis of rotation. This will be a full round and press OK. Okay, now here I want a tapered profile, so go to origin, select XY plane, go to create sketch, take the line command, make a straight line here, escape, select this line. Okay, now go to coincident, select the green point. Okay, so we will select the yellow point and the green point of the line, so it will make the line at center. So half of the portion will be this side and half at bottom. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to 2D sketch once again, XY plane. Now make one more line, go to project geometry, project this endpoint of this previous line, go to line command, make one more line, a straight line bigger than this profile, escape, finish sketch. Now here we will take the sweep command, take sweep, select this profile first and for path click here and select this as path. Okay, now you can see this has taken automatically in surface. Twist will be of 60° and press OK. Okay, now we have two profiles here. Now we want to split a profile, so we will go here for split, click split. Split tool will be this body and the face will be this face. Press OK. Now you can see a split face has been generated here. Okay, now I only want this profile here, so from here I'll go to 3D sketch, I'll go to include geometry and select this profile, finish sketch. Now all these profiles will be hidden. Select this, right click, turn off the visibility, select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Only this profile we need. Now I want to sweep a profile on this, so go to plane, select this endpoint and select this profile. Okay, a new plane will be generated on this point. Select this plane, go to create sketch, here go to project geometry, project this point. From here take circle command and make circle of diameter 5. Finish sketch, here go to sweep, select this profile and press OK. Okay, a solid profile is made this time. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now I want a pattern of this. Go to home to understand it better, and here go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to rotation axis and select this y axis. Okay, take a count of 30 and the filling angle will be 360. Press OK. Now I want a mirror profile for this. Go to mirror, select this complete profile. So it will select pattern 1 and sweep 1. Go to mirror plane and here we'll select XY plane. Press OK. Okay. Now the mirror pattern will be generated here. Now you can see the pattern. Now to make it more visible, select pattern 1, select sweep 1 and here change the color to light red. Okay. Now select mirror 1 and change its color to yellow. Okay. From here take yellow. So this will be the final output. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a wire mesh using surface modeling in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.